Okay, what's this video? This video is a light-activated wireless burglar alarm attached to an oscilloscope. That's the diagram. That's the magnetic coil going through a variable capacitor, going through transistor, going through a second transistor, going through a CDS transistor, and amplifying for the coil. Electromagnetic energy or electromagnetic currents going back and being transmitted a foot away from the project. Look at the oscilloscope now. Well, I turn it on and it goes off very quickly. I think there's something wrong with the battery. That's quite cool, don't you think? And now here I have an neodymium magnet, which I'm keeping it away from the oscilloscope. I'm going to put it, definitely interfering with electromagnetic pulses. Oh, that's the dangerous part about it. It gets too close. There might be a slight effect with the magnet and the oscilloscope and the kit. Thanks for watching this very short video.